Before you do anything, wash your hands with warm water and soap.
Then prepare your mise en place.
To start the dough off, add 3 cups of flour.
Then add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 package of yeast.
Put on the dough hook and mix together the dry ingredients.
Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 cups of water to the mixed dry ingredients.
You're going to want to mix the ingredients until a dough forms. If it is really gooey, add more flour. Our dough is really gooey, so we added about a cup more flour to it.
As you can see, the dough is still very watery, so in our case, we added about another half cup of flour.
When you feel like the dough is ready, gather it off of the dough hook and out of the mixer.
Before you grab the dough, make sure your hands are coated in flour so it doesn't stick.
Sprinkle your workspace with flour and then bring your ball of dough over to your workspace.
Then, using a bench scraper, cut the dough into 2 pieces.
Spray 2 bowls or gallon bags with cooking spray and place the dough in the bowl and cover to rise for an hour or even overnight.
After the dough has risen, roll it out, but do not knead it. That will cause the gluten to activate and it will make the process more difficult. Using a bench scraper, cut the dough into long strips.
After the dough strips are cut, use your fingers to push the dough outward. Then spread mozzarella cheese any line down the middle of the dough. Fold and press the dough together, making the illusion of a long tube. In this process, make sure you are not overstuffing the dough.
Once you're ready to shape, take the dough and fold it into a pretzel. If you want to be more creative, you can choose a different shape.
Before you put your pretzels on the baking sheet, make sure you have sprinkled down cornmeal.
Place the pretzels on a baking sheet and coat the top half of the dough with olive oil.
Place a layer of mozzarella cheese over the oily dough. Lay down a few pepperonis and then add more cheese over the pepperonis.
Place it in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes.
So we chose the pizza pretzel because it is fun and a new twist on just a regular pizza. and we wanted to do something different, unique, and kind of a little bit fun to play with.